We are pleased to introduce to you the Husqvarna 353 chainsaw. Please note the product number and serial number and provide this should you require spares or service information from your local service agent. This is what you will receive in the box. The 353 chainsaw, an operator manual which must be read before using, a toolkit, a guide bar, chain, a guide bar cover, and a bumper spike. Some of the features of the 353 chainsaw include adjustable oil pump for chain lubrication, quick and easy chain adjustment, less air filter cleaning with air injection, easy to maintain with snap lock cylinder cover and quick release air filter, air purge for easier cold starting, smart start for easy starting, combined choke stop control, magnesium crankcase designed for professional use. The 353 is a very robust 51.7cc professional chainsaw, suitable for all-day cutting.